Hi, I'm Manisha, and in this video, I will be demonstrating my assignment on Hive, which will be using the data from Kaggle, that is ODI cricket matches data. So first of all, we have to load the data into HDFS, and then we have to run these following queries on the data using Hive. So this is my Cloudera virtual machine. So let me go to the assignment. So I have downloaded copied all the queries here so that as I cannot run all the queries because it's taking a lot of time. So first of all, I have created the data that is continuous temp, and I have created this table, and in which I have set the delimited field as comma, and I have this part to skip the first row of the data to avoid the discrepancy while doing my other queries. So this query is loading the data from my HDFS directory, where this continuous dataset.csv is located, to my continuous temp table, which I have already created here. And then this is the normal select query to see if the data is loaded perfectly or not. And then I have created another table, continuous, in which I have converted the data type of match year, that is int, so that the calculation and analysis will be easy in the future queries. So my final table is continuous table to do the following queries. Then again there is a select query in which I am checking if the table is populated correctly or not. So the first question is the total number of ODIs played during the time frame. In this, I have selected the scorecard from continuous table, and I have put the count function on the scorecard. The scorecard is basically the ODI match data, so I'm counting that. The second question is the total number of teams. So I have simply put the count on the distinct team one column to get the distinct teams, and there's a final count of this team. So here in these queries, I'm creating the tables so that I can show the results later. As right now I'm just going through the queries. And the third question is which team won the most ODI during the time frame. So in this, I have grouped the data by the winner and order it by the CT win alias, which is the count winner, so that I can get the count of the matches the team won. And I have set this to limit 1 in descending order, so that the first one will be the team which has the most number of winning count. So the question number 3, part 2, is which team won the most ODI during each decade. So in this, I have simply put the check on the year, that is between 1981 and 1990, and I have grouped it by the winner, and I am ordering it by the number of time the team won. So this will just display the winner name and the number of time the team won. And limit 1 descending says that the first one will be displayed which won the most number of time in that part of time. And similarly, it is done for the other decades also. Now the question 3, part 3 says which team won the most ODI, whoever played the first innings and whoever played the second inning. In this, I have done 2 queries. For the first one is for the first inning, and second is for the second inning. It is similar, but in this we have nested queries. So the first one is extracting the counting the time a team won, and is it first and margin says the winner is the first inning or the second inning. But we have here that the winner should be the first inning, and eventually it's displaying the team which won the most in first inning. And similarly, this query shows the team which won the most in the Let's come to question 3, part 4. Which team won the most out of the home game during each decade? So in this, I have this if section. If team is a winner, then I will choose venue team 1. Else, I will choose venue team 2, and I'll put into venue. And then I'm filtering it with when venue is not home. That is, when venue is home, those rows are eradicated, and then I'm grouping it with the winner, and I'm ordering it using the disk, and the first team with the most winning record will be displayed as there is a limit 1. Similarly, all these three queries are for the next decades. Now let's come back to my virtual machine. Here I have executed all the queries, and let's see the solution as I have saved in the table. So we can go to the files, and here I'll go to the user, then I'll go to Hive. So all my solutions are saved in the warehouse. Here I have all the solutions, like the first solution to the question that was the total number of ODI played during uh, the time frame. So for that, I have the answer as 7494, and then I can again come back to the warehouse. So here is for solution 2. That is, the question was total number of teams. So that is 23. And then I'll come back again here. So like this, we can see the question third A, which says the maximum winners for first inning, that is Australia, and which has won with 608, which has won 618 matches. And then the fourth one, which said that the maximum winner with in that decade, which played out of their home ground. So like for this first decade, it was West Indies, and it won 44 times. So that is it for the assignment. Thank you.